My dear students, I hope you all are very fine. Today we are going to start chapter 17, that is the Man Booker Prize. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to know about the Man Booker Prize, which is given to those author who has written their writing, either that is novel or the short stories or anything, okay, that must be in the English language and it has been published in the United Kingdom. Okay, these are the criteria to be winner of the Booker Prize. Okay, so let's start our video. First author that we are going to know about, Hilary Mantel. Okay, she is a wonderful writer and she has written 14 books till now. Okay, out of that, one book, that is Wolf Half, has been translated into 36 languages, and the Bring Up the Bodies has been translated in the 31 languages. Okay, the other books for that she has been shortlisted for the winner. Winner is A Place of the Greater Safety and the Beyond Black. Okay, so these are the books. So what is the question? What can be the question arise from here is, for which novel Hilary Mantel won the Man Booker Prize? So there are two books. Okay, the first is The Wolf Hall and its sequel, and the second is Bring Up the Bodies. Okay, so these are the books for which she has got the Man Booker Prize. The next author is Julian Patrick Burns. Okay, he is an English writer and he has won the Man Booker Prize for the book. What is the name of the book? The Sense of the Ending. And the three other books which is published earlier and it has been shortlisted for the Booker Prize is Flaubert's Parrot, England and Authors, and George. Okay, so these are the books which is written by him. So question can be arise, for which book Julian Burns won the Man Booker Prize? What is the answer? The answer is The Sense of an Ending. Okay, next author is Eileen Catton. She was born in Canada and she was grown up in the she is the New Zealand novelist. Okay, and she is a fiction writer. What is the meaning of fiction? The fiction is that writing in which the characters and the story is imaginary. There is no real man or there is no real story. Those all are on the basis of imagination. Okay, her first novel was Robert Sill, was the released in the New Zealand. Okay, and in 2018, and since it has been translated in so many languages. Okay, her second language, Luminaries, got the Booker Prize, and that is in 2013. So the question can be arise, in which year Eileen Catton won the Booker Prize? Okay, and what was the name of the book? The name of the book was The Luminaries. Okay, you can see Luminaries, and the year was 2013. So this is the book. The next is Paul Beatty. Now he is the very important, and it is the important name. Why? Because he was the first American to get the Booker Prize. Okay, he is an American author and associated professor of the writing, and he is working in the Columbia University. That means he is working as a professor in the Columbia University. In 2016, he got the National Book Critics Circle Award and the Man Booker Prize for his novel. Which novel? The Sellout. Now, it was the first time, I told you as before, it was the first time when any American got this prize. Okay, before that no American has got that prize. So the question can be arise, who won the first American to win the Booker Prize? What is the answer? Paul Beatty. Next is Annie Wright, was born in the Dublin. Okay, and where now she is living. Now she is living and working at the birthplace, and she has written two collection of the stories, okay, published together as Yesterday's Weather. One of the book non-fiction, that means all the thing was related to the reality, and the second Making Babies, and 6 novels including The Gathering, which won the 2007 the Man Booker Prize. Okay, so the question from this can be arise, for which novel Annie Enright won the 2007 Man Booker Prize? The answer is The Gathering. The Gathering was the book for which she has got the Man Booker Prize. Now, Richard Flanagan, okay, he was born in 1961, and he was actually the Australian, okay, and he has also written a lot of books, and some the books which was so his death of the River Guide, which was published in 1994, got the shortlisted for the award. Okay, he has also written so many books, and out of that, which book has got the Man Booker Prize, okay, in 2014 is The Narrow Road to the Deep North. Okay, this was the name of the book who got the Man Booker Prize. Next is Anna Burns, and she got a lot of award, and she was born in 1962. As you can see, she has won a lot of awards. In 2001, Winford Hot by the Memorial Prize, and in 2002 Orange Prize for the No Bones. Okay, the novel name was No Bones. And for Milkman, which was listed for the, which was not listed only, but she has also awarded the Booker Prize with the Milkman only. Okay, but other award also she has got, that means the Man Booker Prize in 2018, and the National Book Critics Circle Award also she has got for the same book in 2019, and the Women's Prize for the Fiction 2019 also Milkman. That means the Milkman is also the fiction story. That means imaginary stories, and the character is also imaginary. In which year Anna Burns won the Man Booker Prize for Milkman? So what is the answer? In 2018. Now, the George Saunders is the American writer for the short stories, not the short stories only, but he also used to write the essay, novels, and the children book, okay, and fiction stories also. He is the author of the 7 books, including the Lincoln in the Bardo, which got in 2017 the Booker Prize for the best fiction in English. Okay, so the question, for which book George Saunders won the 2007 Man Booker Prize is, okay, Lincoln in Bardo. Okay, Lincoln in Bardo, which was published in 2017 and got the prize in the same year. Next, in Marilyn James was born in the Jamaica, okay, in 1970, and he is the author of the New York Times bestseller Black Leopard. Okay, the book name was The Black Leopard, Red Wolf, which was the finalist for the National Book Award for Fiction in 2019 also. And his novel A Brief History of 7 Killings got the Man Booker Award in 2015. Okay, it was the finalist for the National Book Critics Circle Award also. Maybe he has not got, but it was the shortlisted. Being shortlisted for the award is also a big thing. For which book Marilyn James won the Man Booker Prize is, okay, A Brief History of 7 Killings. Now, the last author is Aravind Aditya, and he was born in India 1974. It is the last, and it is the proud moment also that one of the Indian has also got this prize. Okay, so Aravind Aditya was born in India in 1974, and he is educated from the Australia, and he has also completed the Master in Philosophy, okay, from Oxford. So isn't it is a good thing? His debut novel, that means debut means the first novel, debut means that novel from which he has entered in this field, okay, The White Tiger, was published in 2008, and he has also got the Man Booker Prize for Fiction in 2008 for the same. Okay, in which year Aravind Aditya won the Man Booker Prize? The answer is in the year 2018, and for his debut novel. Okay, debut novel means the starting novel. Isn't it a great thing? The first novel he has written, and that was that for that he has got the Man Booker Award. So isn't it is a good thing? Yes. So I hope you all have understood, and you will do the page number 27, which is given in your book. So please do this, and thank you so much for watching.